Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to do payroll in Xero step by step. So stick around till the end and to get it all sorted. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've got all the key details ready. Your organization's GST number, payroll payment date, pay frequencies, and pay items. This includes earnings, deductions, and reimbursements. Next, assign yourself or your payroll admin use role in Xero. Then head over to payroll organization settings. Here you'll choose the bank account from which payroll payments will be made. Check the default payroll account that Xero provides, like the pay liability account, wages expense account, and wages payable account. These accounts will automatically sync every time you post a pay run. Now enter your organization's IRD number. In the employer size field, select small if your annual pay is under 5 lakh USD or large if it's over. Set the opening balance date to match the month of your next pay run. For example, if your next payment is on November 24th, select November 1st. Want to customize your pay slips, upload your company logo right here. Next, set up pay calendars based on how often you pay, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Give each one unique name so it's easy to manage. Finally, categorize your pay items like earnings, deductions, and leave. Xero includes defaults like ordinary pay, holiday pay, and Kiwi saver contributions, but you can also add custom items like bonuses or commissions as needed. And that is it. That's how you can run payroll in Xero the right way in 2025. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.